Right. This question asks us to write a Python program to get the difference between a given number and 20. If the number is greater than 20, return triple the absolute difference. And the hint here is to define a function. So let's define a function. I'm going to call it difference, and then I'm going to pass in a parameter. I'm going to call it number. And so let's define our if clause. So it says that if the number is greater than 20, so if number greater than 20, then do this. Do what? Return triple the absolute difference. So I'm going to say return absolute difference. I'm going to subtract 20 from the number. So number minus 20, and then multiply it by 3. And then just the question doesn't ask us this, but I'm going to put a else statement just in case. Return, for instance, absolute, just absolute number minus 20, and don't multiply it by 3. And let's try this function. So do you see that red underscore or red underline? So I'm gonna make a space here, and it goes away. And let's do this. Print difference, and then here I'm gonna pass in basically an argument here to try this function. I'm gonna say 120, and then we will run this. So as you can see, it gives us 300. So 120 minus 20 is 100. Multiplied by 3 is 300. Now try a number which is less than 20. For instance, 18. And see what it gives us. Okay, just give us 2. And that's basically what we define in else condition. So thank you for watching.